this mirror is broken. The car is the Sport Touring. It's a popular 2022 model. 2022. And the mirror is broken. And now I'm going to take outside the mirror. It's not that simple, but it's not that difficult. I'm going to use these tools. This is what I have. This is what I use. First thing first is to remove this cap. Very easy, no worries. Leave it here because if you step on it, you will have problem. Second is to remove this plastic. Let's see which side. Okay, here I am. It doesn't get any more simple than that. Now I'm going to have this cross screw. Very simple work. There must be somewhere here. Here you are. I will fix the mirror. I'm not going to replace it. Probably I will fix it. There is another one here inside. Now I'm going to take this out. This thing's so easy. Look, well, there is one white. If you are wondering, you watch this video. You can do anything. And now after this, I have to put here on the side. And now up. I will not go any further. I keep it as it is. Let it hang. And now with the 10 millimeter, I want to go more near to the mirror. And I do all this without being a mechanic. Without skills, this you're supposed to take it like sliding. There is an error I see here. If I can do this, you can do this as well. Or if I can break it, you can break it too. After that, you come here. Do you see this part? And here, if you don't have a special tool, you can use two. And then with hands, you take it out. And now here you look deep inside, there is a mirror. This part of cable goes behind this part. Don't put this from here because the window will be stuck. Now you have to remove this cable because as you see here, I press this button, okay, and pull it out. And remember, there is a pole here and you go from outside, not from inside the window because this will be stuck. Now you have to take the the 10 millimeter And as you can see here, there are, I think, 2 or 3 or 4, 3. Show them here. Zoom all the way. One thing here is you should not lose the nut inside, otherwise you have to remove the speaker here. Therefore, I'm going to be extra careful, and when I reach the point that the nut is about to come out, just be careful not to lose it. Should not fall inside. Here we are. This is it. Some models, when I was doing this job with car maintenance, they used to have a different washer, but here the nuts with the washers together, and that's very smart from Toyota. I was thinking why they were doing all this, and now this model is replaced. As you can see, it's easy. Here we are. Here another one. Before I was joking, I did not do this job, but my friend who does a job, he explained to me what to do. So the mirror is about to fall down. If you have a helper, here we are. And what I have done already is now take this out, okay, from here. The magic of the video is that I'm amateur, I'm not professional, and that's good because this might give you the confidence to think that if one guy, idiot like me, can do it, then you can do it as well. Let's see now if this is ready to come out, and yes, it's ready. And here is a mirror. The problem is here, just this little part of plastic broke and all this happened. Now I'm trying to figure it out how to do it, because I'm not going to replace the mirror. I'm going to glue it and put one support material from metal, so the cover that survived will cover here, and it's going to work for free. I believe that I can do it. I believe that I can do it for maybe 50% success, and it's going to be interesting to see what I'm going to do. Until here, I'm amateur, I'm not a professional. From now on, I'm professional. I used to do blacksmith work, metal, welder, and I have lots of skills and tools to make something metallic here after I glue this with a plastic, to make a metallic support things here that I believe that I'm going to make it even stronger than it used to be from the factory. And by the way, I needed for all this, I needed small driver, straight driver, a little bit bigger, cross driver, and 10 millimeter. I didn't use the pens at all. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tools and 2 minutes. This was my first time doing this, and if I want to do it again, I need really 1 minute now. Clack, 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 immediately.